Hey everyone, it's Nikki and I'm back, and I just wanted to show you a couple other options that I'm thinking about doing for Christmas and some things that I purchased along the way at a discount. Absolutely, we do things on a budget over here. So I just first want to show you these candle holders. I picked these candle holders up at Hobby Lobby. And so you can see it actually has like some of the metal. I picked these up, I think they were like $40 a piece, and I paid $8 a piece for them. So it was like 16 bucks. And then if you have here, you have this mirror. It was white, and I picked this up at TJ Maxx. I think they were like $15, and so I just painted over to make it a little bit more of a silver color. And then we have here, just to bring this down, we have this, I guess call it shelf here. Picked this up at Hobby Lobby, and I paid $60 for this. This was originally $200, but it was on clearance. And what I like about it, again, it has that metal and then the wood. And I really love this thing. It has the whitewash colors also. So let's start. I picked these up here, and I believe I picked them up at Michael's for $10 a piece, or the Christmas tree shop. I don't have the, yeah, so one or the other. And if you can see, it has the same type of metal that this is, and the same kind of whitewash. Can you check it out? See that? Thought it was really cool. And I bought these before I bought the table. So it all worked out. So I'm gonna place this one here, off to the side. Here we go. And then I have the other one that will go on this side, and it will hide this switch for the fireplace, because kids like to turn the fireplace on when they decide they just want to do it. And then I pick, so cute, I picked this little girl up. She lovely. Merry Christmas, everybody. And so anyway, yeah, I'm cheesy. I bought this for $10 at Burlington. And so we're gonna sit her here. She has a cute little dress on. I actually kind of want to sit her up here, but I think I'm gonna pull her back because, when you have kids, you kind of want to give them a little, oh, let's cross her legs. She's a young lady. And then of course she has her brother. He was 10 bucks too. Awesome. 10 bucks awesome, not 10 bucks too. Okay, there we go. Now, I also picked this up. I love it. And I picked it up at Burlington. Also, it was $10. And they said it was handcrafted in India. I just loved it. With the little bling bling scooching in here in the middle, like so. Can we do that? All right. So we have Joy. And then I picked this up at Burlington as well. Oh, here we go. $10. And I think I'm just gonna sit this right about here. And so there you have it, guys. Again, I paid $8, and I did not do this all at once. So I paid $8 a piece for these candle holders. I'll get some candles to put in there, and like I said, $15 for the mirror. I did paint it with some chalk paint, some gray chalk paint. These were $20 a piece. This was 10, 20, well, 10 a piece, and then this was 10 a piece. And of course, this shelf was $60 at Hobby Lobby. And I just wanted you to see how this can just make you, for a little bit of time. You don't have to buy things all at once, but if you see certain things that speak to you, this is a cool way to be able to decorate this shelf. I thought it was really cool, and I hope you like it as much as I do. Smooches!